In this tutorial, I'm taking you through how to install the school printers. So we're going to come to the school website, smcc.qld.edu.au, select Learning Enrichment, just so your cursor hovers over it. Scroll down until you see Student Computer Devices, select that. On this page, we're scrolling until we see to install the printers on your Windows device, please follow this link. So literally select that link. It's going to prompt you to log in. With your username and password. You're going to see the PC Mobility Print option pop up in the bottom left. EXE, which stands for executable. It's an executable file. A pop-up's going to come up that says, and you can't see it at the moment on my screen, but it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? The answer is yes. The change being that you're going to get the software you need to print. English is the language to set it to. The default is I do not accept the agreement, in which case you would not receive the software, so you need to change this to I accept the agreement. We select next. And we wait. Now, if for whatever reason the printers don't install during this process, restart your computer, follow the same process. This is a tried and true method, and generally the second time it does work. I'm just going to pause for this bit so we can skip over. So from here we can select the SMW student color printer as well. The default, the black, will already be selected, so if you just click the student color, that should be fine. Again, you'll put in your username and your password. And then when you go to print, you'll see those same options. So SMW student black, SMW student color as your printing options. I'll bring up something now so I can show you how that looks. Okay, so just as an example, I'm in the printer settings of a Word document, and I have the option to select student black or student color, and that will print as necessary for you. So you'll sign into the printers, your next step after you obviously print your document, and you'll release the print job. So that's typically the process if you weren't aware of that. That's installing your printers.